As a result, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be unveiled at the Unpacked event in less than 2 months. We have a lot of changes to discuss, beginning with dust resistance. There was a report circulating a while back that Samsung would include dust resistance on the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. And now we have some additional information about what this may be. Samsung now provides an IPX8 water resistance rating on its foldables. The letter X indicates that it has not been tested for dust. The Z Fold 5 and Flip May 5 both get an IP58 dust and water resistance rating, according to one tipster. In this case, the number 5 signifies that tests prove that the phone is dust protected. This does not imply that it is dust tight, as in the case of IP68. It gives some dust protection, but should not be kept in settings where dust would impair its activities. Given that the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 have moving elements, this advancement is significant. This is most likely owing to Samsung adopting a new hinge mechanism that is slimmer and lighter than the previous one. Samsung, however, will not be the first to provide minimal dust ingress protection. Motorola's new 2023 Razr phones have an IP52 rating. The number 2 indicates that the water-resistant rating isn't very excellent. However, I'd like to remind you that this tipster has a poor track record. So now you know what to do. In any case, if Motorola can provide a restricted dust protection rating, so can Samsung. It would be a crying pity if they did not. In terms of the video's title, Samsung has officially announced that the Unpacked event for the new foldables will take place sooner than normal, in late July rather than mid-August. It will also take held in Seoul, South Korea rather than the United States. Samsung did not give the precise date, however it is expected to be July 26. Interestingly, the item on the official newsroom no longer seems to exist, implying that it was scheduled to go up earlier than expected. However, the internet never forgets. We've also updated the new colors for both foldables. The colors for the upcoming phones have already been disclosed by display expert Ross Young. The Z Fold 5 will be available in 3 colors: black, beige, and light blue. In addition, the Z Flip 5 is available in beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.